Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So we are heading into the end of the week and the crypto market is getting better and we are going to turn into green. My name is Mike Denkler from CorionX and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems every day to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice, so everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and make your decisions based on your research and according to your financial status and financial conditions. So let's smash those likes, push the bell notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. It's quite important for the YouTube algorithm, and also push the bell notification all. So guys, let's go and check our favorite bubble chart. Let's see what's happening out there, what the market is doing. And yes, Bitcoin is up almost 2%, went about 43,000 US dollar again, and Ethereum is back to 3,300 US dollar levels with plus 2%. And we see most of the altcoins are in green and correcting back a little bit, especially Moonbeam, Doge, Ape, Safe, Ton, Quant, and Salo, GMT, Zilliqa doing really well. Let's go and check our favorite indicator, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, and it is at 34. Yesterday it was at 30, so we are back in the fear zone after a few weeks and days of consolidating in the neutral zone. So this is nothing serious. This showing us the investors' sentiment is quite negative and they are worrying right now. But the question is if the investor sentiment will get back into the greed zone or not. Our first news is weekend watch. Bitcoin maintains 42,000, Monero at 3 months high after 8% spike. So Bitcoin remains above 42. That's a good sign for this consolidation. As you see on the chart that Bitcoin hold at 32 and XMR leads the way. So XMR rallied really well, and we will look into it. Maybe made a new highs but not an all-time high. Let's go and check our next news. Shark Tank star Kevin O'Leary says Bitcoin mining will save the world. Here is why. I like this image, so this image will be our thumbnail image for this video. So Bitcoin mining is going to save the world. Why is Bitcoin mining good for the earth? Because the next generation of Bitcoin miners, and some of them are represented right here, are starting to work with energy that doesn't require carbon. Hydroelectricity and nuclear power, wind and solar. The drive to produce Bitcoin is so economic in value that they will go ahead and fund the next generation of machines and turbines. This is the future of Bitcoin mining. We will develop in power for all communities while we mine coins in an ethical and 100% green mandate. This speaks to Montana, it speaks to Tennessee Valley, upstate New York, Quebec, Canada, northern Norway. All of these places, Georgia, have an abundance of unused hydro, and that is the future of Bitcoin mining at its good thing. It provides for communities, it provides extra power. So guys, this is a good outstanding for the Bitcoin mining. Especially Bitcoin remains proof of work, and Ethereum moving from proof of work to proof of stake, but you already know it with Ethereum 2.0. So Bitcoin and Ethereum will explode 100% by mid-2023, says Galaxy Digital Trading co-head Jason Urban. So it's not Mike Novogratz but Jason Urban. What is his saying? If you had asked me at the start of the year, I would have said I see Bitcoin at 100,000 and Ether in the 6,500, 7,000 US dollar range. Do I think that there are headwinds to that? Potentially. Do I think that it's going to matter? No. So if it's not the end of the year, it could be Q1 of next year or Q2. It's going to happen. the sheer number of people that are stepping into this space, I feel it's going to just continue to push that, and the fact that there is such utility. I think at some points, yes, but it's imminent about the Ethereum could flip Bitcoin. Do I think it's something we are going to see in the next 2 or 3 years? That's probably the soonest, and I could be wrong on that. I don't think it's anytime soon. They start to understand the power of smart contracts and layer ones that so many brilliant minds can build on, and Ethereum is that. That's the Cooper. Bitcoin is the digital gold, and Ethereum's digital copper. What's this copper? Yes. So guys, next piece of news is billionaire Peter Thiel says Bitcoin could rise 100 times, unveils BTC enemy list with Warren Buffett at the top. Okay, so Peter Thiel, founder of PayPal, unveils list of Bitcoin enemies. So we are going to try to expose them and realize that this is a sort of what we have to fight for Bitcoin to go up 10 times, 100 times from here. And the person on the list is Berkshire Hathaway CEO Warren Buffett. Thiel put up a picture of Buffett with 2 of his most famous quotes about Bitcoin: red poison and I don't own any and I never will. I think the sociopathic grandpa of Obama is perhaps the most honest and the most direct in it. So quite interesting, this call out. Next piece of news is 100k says Bitcoin could hit 4.8 million if it becomes the global reserve asset. I think we already talked about it. That was the news previously, but let's quote: central banks are likely to change their reserve mix to the determinant of dollars and euros and yen and the enhancement of something else, the one extent or another. As a result, some central bank and private actors will be diversifying their reserves, and with this diversifying and central banks buying in compared to M2 money supply, Bitcoin could hit 1.3 million to 4.8 million US dollar according to the 100k analyst. 100k is a big asset manager company managing billions of dollars. Institutional demand, large transactions on Cardano up 50 times in 2022. Large transactions volume on Cardano has exploded in 2022, suggesting that there is no institutional demand. There is now institutional demand for the blockchain network. Okay, LTV, large transactions volume, and yes, so up 50 times this year. Cardano is experiencing increasing institutional demand. The volume of on-chain transactions, 100,000 US dollar plus, has increased by 50 times just in 2022. Total value is currently at 303 million according to DeFi app tracker DeFi Llama. If we are truly decentralized, we have to somehow come together and figure this out. We have to write some sort of constitutions for these things. We have to decide what is the Bill of Rights and for the use of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. This is the decision. I don't make that decisions. All of you do. Let's go and check our next news. Indonesian government sets crypto tax at 0.1% to be levied starting in May. What a surprise! So a crypto income from crypto investment at 0.1 starting in May. In addition to value added tax, VAT of the same rate will be levied on crypto purchases. So guys, this is just 0.1 in Indonesia. That's right, 0.1 and 0.1 VAT for crypto, all of which are final. Crypto assets will be subject to VAT because they are a commodity as defined by the Trade Ministry. they are not a currency, so we will impose income tax and VAT. But these taxes, this 0.1, it's definitely attractive. So I think many folks will move to Indonesia because the weather is nice, and this tax is it's just pretty awesome. Austrian convenience store OTR to accept crypto payments, according to this report. So OTRs dive in crypto. The growth and mainstream acceptance of cryptocurrency adoption in Australia and the rest of the world has been phenomenal and has offered us a clear opportunity to tap into the momentum of this fast-growing space for the benefit of our customers. So they will integrate crypto payments. So guys, let's go and check out our farms. If you are holding ERC20 version or a Binance Smart Chain version of CorionX, let's go to Uniswap and PancakeSwap, provide some liquidity there and lock up your LPs and earn up a juicy 330% APRs. You can also visit our farms on Binance Smart Chain or on Ethereum. So let's go and provide some liquidity. If you are providing liquidity, that you will get a higher chance to be airdropped with Genesis Laserpunk NFTs. So guys, let's go and check my Twitter feed if there is any interesting thing that we shared. The Bitcoin 2 weeks RSI is about to break. Keep your eye on it. So in this chart you see the Bitcoin price in the 2 weeks chart, and the RSI that is somehow getting closer to break out. And if it will break out, then just a nice firework will come for Bitcoin. Look at different time frames to have scope. Bitcoin 2 week charts is pretty bullish. Another 2 week Bitcoin charts, and we are having a retest at these $43,000 levels, and this is very bullish according to BTC Fuel. And smash those like here and also share this, guys. Okay, so you can check some news about Laserpunks, so definitely follow Laserpunk Guards, so at Laserpunk_Guards, and also follow me at MIKLOS Dankler, and also follow Corion platform. So guys, let's go and check our charts. So Bitcoin is in green now after the yesterday green candle. Bitcoin turned to green, and this 42,200 support level just served as a bounce here for Bitcoin, and but we are still in the downtrend, but maybe breaking this downtrend trend line here. And if Bitcoin will able to close about this trend line, that it can be a trend reversal in a short term. Let's check out Ethereum. So Ethereum is a little bit stronger than Bitcoin. This is the fourth day. Ethereum is consolidating about 3,200, and now we are getting closer to 3,300, and the next level is to break to $3,400 levels. And then Ethereum also, let's check on the 1 hourly charts. So yeah, so that was not a bull flag, but now it looks that we are shifting to the upside momentum. So guys, that's it for today. Smash those like, and also don't forget to join our Telegram channel. You find the link in the description. You find this nice juicy video from our ambassador Nomad Fury about the Laserpunk NFTs, and also you find here daily educational videos and some other content. So definitely join our Telegram channel and also follow all of our social medias. So guys, thank you for watching, and thank you for being here, smashing those likes, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.